Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out Social Bellow, an AI-powered content companion built right into Canva apps. Social Bellow helps you generate engaging content, brainstorm ideas, and even get instant feedback on your drafts all using AI. You can create prompts for social media, write blog posts, chat with documents, and build personal AI personas to help with your creative flow. Whether you're stuck on what to post next, want to polish your writing, or just need a spark of inspiration, Social Below is designed to be your creative partner. So let's go and find out how we can use Social Below for our projects. First, open Canva and start a design. You can use a blank canvas or open any template you already created. On the left toolbar, scroll down and click on Apps. This is where Canva lists extension and third-party tools. If you don't see apps, expand the panel or update your browser. Type Social Bellow into the app's search box and click the Social Bellow tile. This will open up the Social Bellow panel inside your editor. If this is your first time, you will see a connect or sign in button. Click that and follow the sign in flow. This is a standard pop-up. So connecting will link your Social Bellow plan to Canva so the app can apply your subscription quota. Initially, when you log in, you will actually see only 5,000 tokens, as you can see over here at the bottom. But when you log in, you will get 150,000 tokens, and this is a huge amount, and you will need it. So what exactly does Social Bellow help you to do? It is asking you what do you want to create. So if you click on this, you will see a whole lot of options. You can do product description, you can write a press release, you can write a post, you can generate idea, you can do a how to article, you can generate hashtags, you can have headlines, essay, email, design review, you can have a discussion, you can write captions, and you can write blog post, a lot of things. Basically, you just need to give it some form of reference. You can give it a keyword, you can give it a topic, you can tell it how many words you want it to write, or you can give it a visual reference. Whatever image that you put onto your workspace, you can use that in the current design, or you can upload a new image altogether. Okay, so once you have given it some form of idea what you want to create, I'm going to create an article over here. So it was actually telling you the interaction is going to use how many tokens, and currently I have 5,000 remaining. So once I click on create content, you can see how much it is actually using and how much more tokens we have and the kind of content that we generate. Let's see, give it some time. Okay, so now this is ready. We can click on this and it will get added to the workspace. It is pretty comprehensive. I did not give it a word count, but anyway, it has used 978 tokens because this is a fairly long article. So I'm going to click on it and it got added to the workspace. Now I can adjust, change the font, change the sizes, change the color. Normally, whatever we do with the fonts or text when we are working on a project. So this was the article. Now let's try to do something else. We want to click on a new page and maybe create a new interaction. You can use okay, I'm just going to copy this image and put it into my second page. Okay, you can use it from the other page also, but I think this will be easier for me to refer to. So let's try, not idea, I want to do a social media post. Yeah, let's click on social media post and I'm going to give it some keywords. Reference is very important. You need to give it something to work on so that you get a proper output. Otherwise, you will just be wasting your tokens. Okay, so I wanted to focus on protein shake, the diet. I wanted to focus on the benefits and the repercussions. So let's create content. Give it some time. Normally it is within seconds. So this is what it came up with. Discover the ultimate protein shake that transforms your diet, packed with benefits like muscle growth and energy boost. It is a game changer, but what are the potential repercussions of skipping your daily dose? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. This is pretty awesome. This could actually give you a lot of interaction when you use it in your social media post. Okay, once you click on it, it will give you this. Okay, this is pretty small, so you can just increase the font size and it will be okay. Yeah, so just adjust it and we can just copy and paste this onto our socials. We have done an article, we have done a social media post. Now let's try a design review. Okay, let me start a new interaction. This is a cover page of one of the books that I am selling, and I am going to ask it for a design review of this cover page. Okay, so I'm going to choose the current design. This is the visual reference, so select the page from here and then we are done. We're going to export this. I have chosen the design review and I'm not going to give it any keywords or anything this time around. So let's see how intuitive it is. I have clicked on generate the content and we have this. The cover design for I Spy, Count and Ride Dino Fashion Preschool Volume 3 is vibrant and engaging, featuring a variety of dinosaurs in the lush prehistoric setting. It's actually giving its opinion. And finally, it gave me the design successfully combines educational elements with fun visuals, making it appealing for its intended preschool audience. So this is a pretty good design review. I would suggest that we try and maybe give it few variations and see what are the recommendations that will come our way. Let me try with two designs. Let's compare these two designs. These are cover pages I'm contemplating using for my fairy tale, fantasy, magical kind of coloring book. So I'm going to export this and give this as the visual reference. So, and I'm going to ask it to compare the two images and help me figure out which one would be a better cover page for my book. Let's wait for it to generate the content. We have the comparison ready. Okay, it is comparing the two images and image 1, women in blue dress. Image conveys sense of elegance and romance, featuring a woman in a flowing blue dress against a night sky with a crescent moon. Okay, it's pretty good. It compares the color palette, the details. Okay, the image 2 also gives the same pointers and then it comes up with a conclusion. If your goal is to appeal to an audience, to those seeking a more sophisticated design, first image may be better choice. Its elegance, serene atmosphere can promote relaxation. Okay, engagement. Conversely, if the target and audience includes children, then it's blah blah blah. Okay, so ultimately the choice depends on the intended audience and the type of experience you want to provide in the coloring book. This is pretty awesome. It is actually giving you what are the strong points or weak points of the both images, and then it is giving you a conclusion and how you should be making your decision. So if you want, you can continue with the interaction, maybe give it more pointers, maybe give it more context. Who is this book for? What is the interior of the book entailing? And then from there you can have this discussion and figure out which cover page you should be using for your book for better results. So this is pretty awesome. So Social Bellow, this is one of the use cases you can use Social Bellow for. In this video, we have explored just three features of Social Bellow. One is the article writing, the other being the social media post, and the last one was the design review. So if you had liked it and if you want to play around with it, you can find this within a Canva. Just go to apps and then type in Social Bellow and you can start using it right away. Even if you don't sign up, you already have 5,000 tokens which you can use to play around with. There are a lot of features in Social Bellow that we have not explored yet, and we will try to cover them in the coming videos. And if you like this video and would like to have more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.